What is going on, you guys? Hope you guys are having a great freaking day. I'm actually heading out to Cocoa Beach. There's some boat races going on and it's about to start raining. Actually, it is raining. So these boat races happen like every year. I think there's like different categories of which boats are racing and all that. I'll look it up right now. Okay, so here is the schedule. Come on, focus, focus. All right, so it starts at 12, right? Where is it? Start of first race, 12 o'clock, right there. And then I guess the first race lasts for about like 2 hours, and then, or at least an hour, and then the second race starts at 2. I think those are two different boats, because yesterday I went to the condo yesterday. Focus. What's going on? So I went to the condo yesterday and there were some boat races. They were like, bruh, that's weird. They were like practicing yesterday, and there were two different types of boats. There was like a smaller type boat, and it was loud, like loud, and it was actually louder. So like the smaller boats, they went, I don't think they're as fast, and then the big giant boats, they went by, and those were like fast. Those were shooting up some like rooster tails. But I think those are two different classes. I think the first one is one race and the second race is a different class, so we'll see. Let's go do this thing. All right, I arrived at the condo, but you know what I haven't done in a while is a nice montage. So let's go back into time and do a little montage. Hey, like and subscribe. They started yet?
Oh yeah, I started at 12.
Is it over?
No.
Where is it at? Is it over here though? They come past here? You said they're still racing? Like right now?
Well, there's a break now, but probably another week.
Oh. Alright, so here we got it. We got the beach. First look. Hey! We're right there, and I guess supposedly it comes all the way over here, and I think it turns around right about there, but I'm not sure. I can't remember from last year, so stay tuned. All right, there's a boat right there. That rooster tail is huge. All right, I'm gonna try and zoom it, but my battery's about to die, so hopefully it doesn't die. Come on, don't die, don't die. That's a good angle right there. So it's 1 o'clock and the next race starts at 2. I think the race just ended. I looked at the schedule and it said that the preliminary or whatever. There was like something that's going on at 1:30 or 2 o'clock.
Oh, there we go. Sorry about that.
So I think they're on their break and the second race is about to start. So with all that being said, I'm about to go get something to eat because I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day today. And let's get this day started. Look at all these people. Like, it's never usually this busy. Dang, look at the parking. They're like literally crowding that whole bank. Look at that. Holy cow. And then there's just traffic everywhere. So I was gonna go to Subway, which is right over there, get something to eat, but there are no parking spaces. What the heck? So now I have to go all the way to the other one, which is like a couple miles that way. But what a drag, whatever. We have arrived, let's go. I'm so hungry. All right, we made it back home in the, and the races start at 2 and it is currently 1:47, so we got 15 minutes. That's enough time for me to grub on this sandwich. And the next cut is gonna be the starting of the race. Ah! Is it not on Espen?
Espen, as it's known in the biz.
Alrighty, it is 1:59. Oh, well, you're not gonna be able to see that. Let's turn up the brightness. Hey. Oh, still can't see it. Oh, there we go. 1:59, almost 2 o'clock, and 2 o'clock sharp is when the race is. I don't know if they're starting over there or over there. I have no clue. I think they're starting over there because there was like camera copter or camera helicopter or whatever went over there. So I think it starts over there. I remember it being over there last year, but I'm not 100% sure. But we're about to find out. Alright, it's 2 o'clock. Or maybe they count down at 2 o'clock and not actually start at 2. Could be some complications too, so who knows. Still grubbing. Banging like a biscuit, son. Oh, there they go. The starting was over there. Let's get that perfect zoom in. I think that's good, right? Right there? That's good. Here they come. Look at those rooster tails, holy cow. Oh, these are the big boys, let's go. That's what I said. These weren't the ones that raced earlier? The smaller ones were the one that raced? That's what I figured. Oh, there's some more. I think this guy just gave up. I don't know. Oh, the turnaround's like right over there. Dang, that guy's booking it. He's in first place for sure. This guy's way in the lead. Like, look at that gap. Like, that's not even a race anymore. Oh, there's 2. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Now, that's a good race right there. Ah! Oh, he passed him. Hey. Yeah. It doesn't smell like racing fuel though. That's nitrous? Back to back. And then we got there's a camera helicopter. Dang, this guy's killing it. Come on, catch up. Do you think they're racing for like laps or like just like time around the lap? Because there's a huge gap between these guys and then this guy over here. This guy's rooster tail's insane though. Catch up! Oh, they're going at it. That guy is straight cruising. Oh, that'd be sick to get the rooster tail like when they turn like that. Oh, this guy's passing it. Oh, he passed him. Where'd the other boat go? Oh, they're right beside each other. Another good race, hey. Oh, and then we got the 2 leaders. Oh, whoops. Oh, that guy is booking it. Look at that. Oh, backfire. Holy cow, that guy's booking it. This thing's fast. These are quiet. Look at that rooster tail. We need to go over there. close. Oh, we got a good race going on right here. This guy is flying. Bye-bye. Whoa! It's clear. This guy is clearly the winner, for sure. This guy's been behind him the whole time though. Alrighty, that wraps up the race. You can actually still hear them. If you can still hear that. Like the smaller boats, they're still like going around making up their laps, but the main like big ones, the guy that was in front the whole time, he already finished his race. So I'm about to head out of here before all this traffic gets out, because it's gonna be a madhouse. But it was a sick race. I've never actually watched the whole thing before, and it was sick. I liked it a lot. And then now I'm about to go home, and then I don't know, wash up or whatever, and then I got a baseball practice at 5:30 with the squad. And it was a really good thing that the race ended when it did, because my memory card in my camera actually got full and I had no memory left. I would have had to use my iPhone, which is what I'm using right now. Now I need to go home, delete some of the memory off the card, and then I could use it for the rest of the day today. And let's go do this thing. Alrighty, you guys, just got home after a long day. I've actually had so much footage today. I'm actually going to just make it into 2 videos. And so I'm going to focus this video just on the boat racing. How cool would it be to drive one of those boats though? Those things are nice. Nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And like always guys, have a great day. Peace.